Hi, I'm Marcos from eCpp Auto Parts, here with our 1994 through 2002 Dodge Ram full-size pickup upgraded towing mirror. Our towing mirror is built to be manual folding, manual fold-up, and comes with the same 3-pin mounting locations and base plate as your vehicle for easy installation. With our towing mirror's combined mirror measurements of 11 inches by 8 inches, and an overall length of 16 inches, our towing mirror is designed to maximize road safety and visibility. Our towing mirror is designed to be a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.